as far as the mid-cap IT firms are concerned, I do remember that, about 1 or 2 years before also, you've been looking at this space quite keenly. And some of the stocks have been your favorites, which have also given sharp returns to investors in stocks like KPIT Technologies, for example. Now, they've already had a sharp run-up. At this point in time, how do you really view the opportunities in the mid-cap IT space then?
In the medium to short term, Sakshi, I'll stay away from mid cap IT stocks because of the valuations and also the earning guidance is concerned. So this time, okay, for a time being, I'll try to stay away from the mid cap IT stocks because the valuations look strict. There is a humongous rally in the names like KPIT Technologies and all. So I try to stay away from mid cap IT for the time being. And we need to analyze each company results and their guidance, and we'll take a call on mid cap IT stocks are concerned. But this is the time for the large cap IT stocks because these companies gives the comfort due to the uncertainty in the global economy, and also it gives the stability to the individual investor portfolios.
Right. Apart from the IT space, where else are you looking at opportunities for investors emerge amid the earnings season?
At this point of time, Sakshi, always the banking and financial services, one can keep an eye, and they cannot ignore with respect to Indian markets are concerned. We need to give paramount importance to the banking and financial services in India. And one can look at the defense theme. Defense theme also quite resilient, even though despite of the valuations little bit stretched it looks, because these stocks have been, despite of the wild swings in the market in the past couple of months, these stocks looks quite resilient. Just to name a few like HAL, Garden Reach, Mazgam Shipyard, all these stocks are showing their resilience and they have a clear order book visibility. So one can look these pockets like Cochin Shipyard. So these names are quite resilient. The stock prices are quite resilient. So one can look of opportunities in defense, and also one can look opportunities in capital goods if there is any dip in the capital goods space. Stocks like Siemens and Cummins India, ABB, these stocks are quite resilient. So one can look opportunities in this kind of names just to hide and also take comfort in these kind of companies if there is any kind of wild market moves going ahead.
Okay. Two more pockets that I wanted to understand from you. One is the pharma pack that suddenly was showing some spurt in the previous trading session, with a lot of stocks really showing some intraday moves of 10-11% as well. Has anything or is anything really changing structurally for this space, or is it going to be just an a long drawn process to understand what kind of opportunities emerge here?
Actually, pharma have been underperforming past 8 quarters, and the stocks have corrected on an average 50%. If you name the mid-cap pharma stocks are concerned. Yesterday, there we kind of witnessed some kind of sharp moves, intraday gains, like the names what you are displaying, like Divis and all. Uh,
Yeah.
so these whether these kind of rallies started, whether the stocks are bottomed out, we need to wait and watch because the earnings are crux. We need to analyze the earnings of pharma companies in Q4. Then one need to take a call. But we can, for a longer term perspective and a medium term perspective, one can cherry pick the stocks in pharma. They can probably they can in a staggered manner. One can start accumulating pharma stocks because the valuations turns attractive at this point of time, and there is a clarity that is coming with respect to the earnings are concerned that is uh, going ahead, and also many stocks have US FDA approvals have been pending. So these are the overhangs on the company. But with respect to purely valuation perspective, the valuations of majority of the pharma companies turn uh, very attractive. So what we can see is one on a positive day, some kind of cherry picking that's have been witnessed in pharma stocks are concerned.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.